Hello kids, welcome to Science class with Miss Lauren and Madam Friska. Today, we're going to learn about our senses. But before we start learning, please prepare your science workbook, your stationery, and don't forget, when we have meeting through Google Meet, please mute your device and turn on the camera. Now here you are. Let's go to the theme 2, our senses. Now look at the pictures. This is a picture of a birthday party full of children. Now let's see. How do the children use their sense organs to enjoy the birthday party? The children can taste the birthday cake. They use their tongue. The children can hear the party blower sound. They use their ears. They can smell the sweets. They use their nose. They can touch the balloons. Absolutely. They use their skin. And last, the children can see all the happy faces. Of course, they use their eyes. The first one, we have sense of touch. We use our skin to tell how different things feel when we touch them. Well, you can see here we have a lot of objects. We can feel them. We can feel something hot or cold, wet or dry, hard or soft. Then we can also sense the textures of objects around us. Just like this stone, it's kind of rough. And here we have blanket, it's kind of soft and smooth. And also we have coffee. It seems hot. And then the last we have ice. It seems cold. Our sense of touch helps us to be aware of danger. Look at this dangerous situation. The first one. Our skin warns us to move our hands away from that boiled water or hot pot quickly before we get badly burned. The second one. Can you see the sign? Yes, that's the sign of wet floor. The floor is wet and slippery. Our skin around the feet warns us to be careful when we step off the floor. Next, we have cactus. Our skin warns us to stay away from the plant when we accidentally touch the spines because it can cause pain. Now let's see. Do you notice the patterns on your finger? The patterns at the end of your finger are called as fingerprints. Fingerprints are also used to identify a person. No two persons share the same pattern, not even twins. Our fingerprints increase the sensitivity of our sense of touch. They are basic types of fingerprints. They are arch, simple loops and double loops, and whirl. Fingerprints are used to identify a person. The handphone is reading someone's thumbprint. It led the person to automatically unlock the screen. A police is comparing fingerprints found at the scene of a crime with fingerprints on record. If we find a match, it will help to convict the suspect person. We have learned about sense of touch. Now we're going to learn sense of taste. Our tongue gives us the sense of taste. It is covered in tiny taste buds that help us to taste. Saliva is the watery substance that is made in our mouth. It helps our tongues to taste things. It helps to break down the food we eat and wets the food for easy swallowing. All the foods that you can think of are in some taste group. We have sweet food, we have savory, sour, bitter, salty, and spicy food. Sweet food give us energy. Sweet foods are called carbohydrates. Savory food often contain protein. Protein help us to grow. While sour, bitter, and spicy food often contain vitamin which help us healthy. And we also need some salt in our bodies to keep us healthy too. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.